Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Character Modeling Week 8. That's right, Week 8, the end of Week 8. We got 3 weeks left, and we're about ready to really model this character and rig it and really get into moving. And it's really impressive to see where everybody's come and gone and how much the characters have developed, and really proud of what y'all have done. So great work on that. Finished your grades last night and everything, so they should be up to date. Sorry they were a little bit later. It's been a really busy week, but still got me up before the weekend, so that way you should have some feedback. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. If you need to meet up or anything, please let me know. I can help you out. That way it's a little bit easier to convey the information and get to you a little bit better. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Just figured I'd let you know. There's no really second announcement for this week. I just want y'all to focus on your work and really get that final push in to get everything. I'll be around a little bit tomorrow, but I do have a couple late hockey games in the evening, so probably in the evening it'd be a little hard to reach me. If you need me and it's really an emergency, just text me. Go ahead and go from there. However, just to let you know, I posted on a few of your discussions, gave some feedback. Also, just to let you know, you do have your projects due tomorrow, and your discussions are due tonight. Other than that, that's pretty much it. You should see the rubrics for week 9 coming out here very shortly. They should pop out on Monday, and the next announcement for that after that. But however, that's pretty much it. I just want you to be safe, have fun, take it easy, and do keep mindful if you are running into some issues. We only have 3 weeks left. So please contact me if you need to talk about something or really get ahead of the game. That way I can help you out a little bit if we do run into some trouble. Other than that, that's it. Y'all enjoy, everybody. Be safe. Have a great weekend. Enjoy. I'll see everybody for Monday. Have a good one.